But what do you think is our baby? What is the gender of our baby?
I think it's a baby girl.
I think it's also a baby girl.
Ito na, bubuksan na natin.
Open pa lang? Buksan mo na.
3, 2, 1.
Hi you guys, everybody! Thank you guys for watching our recent upload about our pregnancy. And now we are back! Hi Dad! So, now we are heading to another appointment. We are heading to our ultrasound scan. So, we took a day off today and we are heading to the clinic, to the laboratory clinic. Or, ewan ko. Parang yung brain ko minsan nawawala. No? At hinihingal ako. So, I have an ultrasound and I need to finish my water. I don't think mapupuno ko yung bladder ko. Kasi kanina pa ako umiinom and sana ma-hold ko yung wiwi ko. So, today, our scan is called the anatomy scan. Yung nabanggit ko nung last video. And dito sa scan na to, I think it is a longer scan. It will take me around maybe close to an hour daw, depende. Kasi kailangan yata i-measure yung all body parts and titingnan kung normal lahat, okay yung mga size, even, or something like that. Actually, hindi ko alam, but we are just praying and hoping that everything was to come out normal. And because I feel that the baby is really growing. Like, look at that. Ang hirap huminga. Tapos parang busog na busog din ako. So as you can see, this is my bare face. Actually, hindi naman ako ganun nagka-breakout ng malala. And hindi ko pa nakikita yung mga pamamanas and yung mga ganun. Pero, yan, sometimes minsan nag-breakout ng pakonti-konti pero hindi naman siya ganun kalala. So, we'll see. And also, on this scan is, malalaman na namin kung
Boy?
or girl. So, ngayon din namin malalaman yung gender. Hopefully, kasi sabi nila, baka makita na rin yung gender. So, we decided na, okay, sige, ano ang gagawin natin? Naglalag ako. Basta malalaman na rin namin yung gender. Pero, we're planning to do a little something after this. But, both of us are wearing blue. But it doesn't mean na we are rooting for a baby boy. Kasi ito na yung available na maternity clothes ko. Ayoko naman mag-black, ang init-init. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, wala siyang pink. Sige, yan na lang kung whatever is available. Kasi ayaw naman namin bumili pa ng ibang damit para lang sa gender reveal, diba? So whatever is available, that would work. What's important is basta healthy si baby. And yeah, we're just so excited. We're on our way. And it's very hot. It's a very nice weather. Look at that. So, sobrang ganda ng panahon ngayon. And we are so lucky. We are on our way. So, we are here. Hi. Hi, you guys. So, we just finished our appointment. And yeah, everything went well. As expected. Look, we got a picture of our baby. So that is our baby at 19 weeks and 3 days? 2 days. 19 weeks and 3 days. 2 days? So we are almost halfway through this pregnancy. And yeah, everything is looking normal. So we'll just wait for our appointment with the OB and we'll see kung meron pa siyang ibang sasabihin about the result of the ultrasound scan. Pero yun, sinabi naman dun sa ultrasound clinic na okay naman lahat. We are able to see, alam mo, parang medyo nabobo ko dun sa anatomy scan. Of course, anatomy. So, dun ka lang na-realize nung ini-scan niya yung every part of the body ng baby. Kaya pala siya anatomy scan kasi nga i-scanin niya yung mga parts ng body ng baby, which is yun talaga yung anatomy. Like parang for a second, pinag-aralan namin yung high school But anyways, yeah, we're able to see the fingers, the thumb, the heart, yung mga ganun. So cute Tapos, yung, since nga sinrequest namin na, i-surprise yung gender, wag mo nang sabihin. So, nilagay niya yung result ng ultrasound in an envelope, and we have the envelope. And yeah, we'll find out sa aming gender reveal! Umabot siya ng 1 oras. Medyo matagal din siya kasi nga kukuhanan ng measurement every part of the scan. And yun nga, minsan kasi parang medyo nahihirapan silang kuhaan yung gusto nilang angle or yung measurement. So, she's trying to bug the baby. Like, parang ginaganon-ganon niya minsan yung chan ko. So, tinatry niya na, humanap ng angle para makuha yung tamang mga measurements. Kaya medyo nagtagal din kami. So, just such a silly baby. So, how do you feel?
I want to open the envelope.
So, wala na tayong gender reveal. Buksan na natin ngayon. Ganun-ganun na.
Well, at least it's a good news. Everything is normal. So, yeah. Di ko lang ma-picture out yung ibang mga parts of the body a while ago. But, yeah. But
Kasi black and white diba? Pero parang hindi nakikita na. Hindi. Siyempre, ewan ko. Ang galing nila nakikita nila. Yun daw, may bones daw na dalawa. Yung mga legs, mga arms, ganyan. Ay, namin na lang, oo, na lang din kami.
kahit hindi ko alam kung yun ba talaga yung tinutukoy niya.
So yeah, but we are happy and we are heading out and we are going to the mall!
Shopping!
Yeah, that's always my treat. After the appointment, kakain kami sa labas and I'll try to find something na pwede ko masuot. So yun yung aking mini treat every after appointment. So we ended up eating here at Boston Pizza because I was craving for soup. So I got this potato soup with cheddar and then quesadilla. And then chicken wings. Ay no, di ba? Gutom na gutom siya. Oh, gutom na gutom. And then I have my chicken tacos. So yeah, we're just gonna eat. And then we'll go to the mall later. Hi guys! So we are so full. We are going for a walk. And we are looking for something. So, we are just here in Cross Iron Mills. So, meron kaming hinahanap, Indigo. And then, yung store malapit doon. So, eto, nakita na namin yung hinahanap namin. So, this is what we are looking for. Ta-da! It's a photo booth. Oh my God! Ano ba yan? Out of service! We are supposed to do photo booth here, pero out of service siya. So, anong gagawin namin na? Wala kaming plan B! Hi guys! So, we are back in the car. Yeah, so we are leaving Cross Iron now. So, yun, naglakad-lakad lang kami. We're able to get some things. Nakapamili kami sa Uniqlo and then sa CK ng pangregalo for my Besh's birthday. And, as you can see, wow! Outfit change yan, girl! So, ngayon ay, meron ako nakitang dress sa Uniqlo which I really love and I decided to change. Since, kakasabi ko lang kanina, we don't need to buy pink or anything. Ayaw naman namin bumili pa ng ibang damit para lang sa gender reveal, diba? Pero meron kaming nakita na sale. Ako pala, meron ako nakitang sale and I super loved it. So, yeah. So, I bought this dress in Uniqlo and now I'm wearing it. And, yeah. Unfortunately, hindi nga out of service yung photo booth dito sa may Cross Iron. And then, I called them and we are going to another mall para sa ibang pop-up branch pa nila. So, now we are heading to Pacific Mall. Actually, it is our first time going there, di ba? Kasi hindi kami pupunta dun sa Pacific Mall, like ano bang meron dun. So, we'll find out. And it's already 6:30 p.m. and the sun is still up and bright. Look at that. Very nice weather. So we are going to Pacific Mall and it's gonna be, how many? 21 minutes. So it's gonna be 21 minutes from Cross Iron and yeah, see you there.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! So we are now here in Pacific Mall parking and kailangan naming hanapin yung photo booth and hopefully hindi siya out of service pero tinawagan ko naman yung may-ari or yung customer service. Sabi nila okay naman daw. So we are so excited to know the gender of our baby. Are you excited?
Of course. Let's go! Let's go!
So ngayon damit namin mas appropriate na siya sa gender reveal kasi pink and blue. But what do you think is our baby? What is the gender of our baby?
It's a baby girl.
Do you want a baby girl? What do you wish?
I don't know. Just a healthy baby.
Pero anong preferred mo na gender?
It's a boy.
Do you want a boy?
A girl. I don't know. I don't
Isa
know.
lang! Siyempre, hindi naman kambal yung anak natin. Eh.
I don't know.
Huh?
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes. Ano nga? Anong gusto mong gender? Hula lang. You have to guess one.
I think I want a baby girl.
You want a baby girl or you think it's a baby girl?
I think it's a baby girl.
Oh, okay. So she
How about
thinks
you?
it's a baby girl. For me, I think looking at my pregnancy, I think it's also a baby girl. I felt like it's a baby girl because I am a pretty mom. Charot! So, feeling ko baby girl. Kasi hindi niya naman ako masyadong pinahirapan. Kasi ganun yung mga nakikita ko eh. Like, pag lalaki daw, yung talagang malala yung morning sickness, mga ganun. But, we'll see.
We'll see. Let's go.
Yeah. So, we'll see you guys there. Guys, dito po kami mag-gender reveal sa TNT. Charis. Joke lang. So, let's look. Sabi malapit to siya sa food court. So, we'll see. Hi guys. So, we finally found the Photo Wisdom photo booth. It's here. There you go. So, finally, here we go. So, we are here inside and yeah, we're excited.
Yeah.
We will try to figure out this one first. Okay, so we're doing 3. Insert card. Oh, pay it. Oh my God!
Yeah, I think we're out.
Doon tayo titingin, di ba?
Yeah, yan.
Kita kaya?
Paano mo ng shot mo ka mo? Yan, 9, 8. Ano sunod?
Dito, wala pa.
Ano sunod?
Ito na, bubuksan na natin. Ito na.
Open pa lang? Bakit naman yung sobre? Open mo na mo.
Ay, yung double E!
Ibuksan mo na.
6, teka lang, 6. Teka lang,
Buksan mo na.
3, 2, 1.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2. Taas mo konti.
Meron pa pala. Meron pala. Isa pa.
Ano ba?
Bakit 8 pala? Oh my God, that's so cute! Look at that! Oh my God! So, oh my God! Mom and Dad! Oh my God, that's so funny! Guys, it's so funny. Oh my God, we're so surprised. We are both
Ay, mamimili ka pala ng ilalagay mo.
expecting for a baby girl. And we are having a boy! Okay, teka, i-figure out lang muna namin to. We thought it was a boy because of the color, but it's not. It doesn't matter because it says EFW, but still, it's a boy. Oh my God! So please select a photo. So ito muna, di ba? Ilan ba? Di ba 3? Ito, tas ito, di ba? And then ito. Yan. Print in mini frame? No, I don't want that. No, why is it like this? No, I don't want this today. Happy birthday. What are these? Oh, this is cool. This is cute. Do you want that? Oh, that's for a baby girl. Oh my god. Oh, this is a Father's Day. Look at that. What if we choose this one? This one? Do you want that? A Father's Day? Yeah, we can do that. And then print? Oh my god, that's so crazy. Ah, I didn't expect that. I was expecting a baby girl.
Did you print it?
Not yet. I'm still expecting for a baby girl. So, we are having a baby boy. Okay, so guys, that's it for our gender reveal. It's very simple, it's very intimate because we wanted to celebrate it together ng kami lang. And yeah, we're so happy and we're so excited to continue this journey with our baby in this new chapter of our life. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys again on our next vlog. Bye! Oh, baka doon.
So baka 2 copies lang yung pinili mo.
Ganun ba yun? So, wala na yun. Wala na yun. Wala yun. Bakit wala na yung ano? Guys, we printed it. Pero yung na-print namin yung una lang. We thought we're gonna select another one. Oh my God.